Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by enabling features and setting intent. Open Gmail settings and enable Smart Compose and Help Me Write. This lets Gmail suggest full drafts. Next, set your default language and preferred tone so suggestions match your voice. Once done, configure signature and reply defaults to avoid repeated edits. Make sure you're on desktop or updated mobile app because some options are platform-specific. Now start a new message, so we can move into drafting with prompts and controls. With Help Me Write active, compose a prompt describing purpose, recipient, and key points, for example. Follow up 3 bullet items, friendly tone. You'll see a suggested draft. Read it aloud mentally, then accept, edit, or regenerate. Use the tone and length sliders if available. They shape phrasing and formality. For detailed emails, add facts or numbers inline so suggestions stay accurate. If you need variants, request alternative openings or sign-offs to choose the best fit before sending. Before sending, always proofread for factual accuracy and personal voice. Help Me Write can invent phrasing and must be checked. Make manual edits to dates, names, or links and confirm attachments. If suggestions are off, use regenerate or undo, adjust tone, and resubmit your prompt. For persistent errors, disable the feature in settings, clear browser cache, or update the app. These fixes solve most glitches. Finally, send and, if needed, use Gmail's feedback tool to improve future suggestions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.